this?
Maybe it doesn't need to be done.
I used to have nothing. And then I got this job, this family. And I was better because of it. And even though they're gone, I'm still trying to be better.